Alright, in this video, we're gonna see what's the output template. And the output template is just a format that ChatGPT is going to follow when giving responses. And to indicate what's that format, we have to use these words. Follow this format. And then we have to continue with the format that we want ChatGPT to follow. In this simple example, this format will include the name, the age, the height, weight, and birthday of a person, for example. And this is just like a form. It's like ChatGPT is going to fill a form following this format. That's just the basic idea of what this is about. And well, now let's see an example using ChatGPT. The first example is the following. So I want to read books that are similar to Harry Potter, and I'm asking ChatGPT to recommend me 10 fiction books similar to Harry Potter. But ChatGPT has to follow the format that I'm showing here. So first it has to give me the name of the book, then the author, the year the book was published, the length, and finally the rating. So if I don't provide this, let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. Alright, as you can see, if I don't indicate the template output, ChatGPT is only going to follow any format it comes up with. So as you can see, well, it's recommending me books and it's listing books, and well, first it writes the name of the book, then the author, and then a summary. But now if I provide this template, we're gonna get a more customized response. Alright, now we got the response with the formats that we specified. And well, we got the 10 books, we got the name of the book, the author, the year published, length, and rating. And that's great. Now let's see a second example. And with the second example, I want to show you that the template can follow a different structure. So let's see the second example. And in this second example, I'm telling ChatGPT to act as a language tutor. So I'm using role prompting first, and then I'm telling the goal of this prompt. And I'm saying, I give you some words in English I'm having trouble pronouncing, and you'll provide the following information. So I want the phonetic translation using the IPA, which stands for International Phonetic Alphabet, if I'm not wrong. And then I say, split the word in phonetic symbols and give examples on how to pronounce each letter following the format below. And this is the format. And as you can see, it has a different structure from this format that I used before. And in this case, first I'm telling ChatGPT to put the phonetic symbol inside these slashes, and then to use this sentence. So this is like a template with placeholders. So I'm telling ChatGPT to write similar to that, and then indicate the letter that is referring to, and then sound in, and then to provide an example. Now this might not make so much sense, but I'm gonna give a word to ChatGPT and you're gonna see this in action. So now I press enter, and now let's see what ChatGPT does. So now it's telling me to provide a word, so it does all these tasks. And I'm gonna provide a word sometimes I have trouble pronouncing, which is rarely. Alright, I got the response, and as you can see, well, it provides two versions, American English and British English. And if you see the example here, it divided, or it split the word into single letters, and we have the phonetic symbol, and then we have the template that we provided, so similar to the R sound in run, for example. And then we have this symbol, and similar to this sound in the word bed. And that's how I can see which is the sound that I need for this word. And that's another way to use the output template. You only need to type a sentence and include some placeholders.